when do we use a sequence diagram? Now this is one of the design UML diagrams which is used for designing the system. Let's look at the another question. Uh, when to use sequence diagram? Now, if you have heard of sequence diagram, it is one of the UML diagram, and basically it is used for in the software development to get more clarity on the use cases and the system, how the control flows from one component to the other component, and ultimately how it returns. And it gives clarity on we are covering the each component, and ultimately we are achieving our functionality. Now, as I mentioned, it is used in the software development for to get the control, to understand the flow of the control in the system. Where exactly we'll be using this? So, when you are doing the requirement analysis, you need use case detailing, system designing and architecture. When we are doing the whole designing of that part, we need to know the process flow. Then we are designing, modeling it during that time, right? We can use it. When you're integrating between the two systems, we can do that, or multiple system. We can use in the code design and the implementation planning also. When we are trying to debug or troubleshoot something, we try to understand where exactly it went wrong. So in these use cases, we may use the sequence diagram. It helps to get more clarity, and also it helps the developer or the person who is actually working on that particular requirement to get more clarity how the code flows, so that before the development he is crisp clear on the development what he needs to do and what are the use case he needs to cover.